7 symptoms of low testosterone level in men. Like I said in my previous videos, that testosterone is the hormone that makes men to perform well as a man. So if you lack testosterone, there are signs you are going to get to show you that you have low testosterone. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the 7 symptoms of low testosterone level in men. But before I proceed, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case if you are new on this channel and you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the 7 symptoms of low testosterone level in men? If you lack testosterone, here are the symptoms. Number 1, poor libido. That is low sex drive. What is a low sex drive? A low sex drive is when a man is unable to respond when the partner, the female partner, touches him. That person will never respond. It is a low sex drive. So if you lack testosterone, it will make you to have a low libido or low sex drive. Number 2 is bone loss. Bone, all parts of your body, are the main components of the body system. So on how you have a low testosterone, it will make you to have a low bone formation, or it will make you to have loss of bone. Number 3 is weakness of the body. That is, you become fatigued. You can't perform well as a man. You are always tired. You feel weak, exhausted. You can't do anything that you are supposed to do. You can't carry out your daily activities. You can't do what you are supposed to do as a man. What can make you to be weak? It will be a sign of low testosterone. So if you are weak when you did not do any job or you did not do anything that will make you to be weak and you became weak, it is a sign of low testosterone. Number 4 is poor erection or unable to maintain erection. If you are unable to maintain erection as a man, when you have an erection, suddenly it falls down. It is a sign of low testosterone. So anytime you experience poor erection, all you have to do is to consult your healthcare provider or your doctor to tell you what to do to have a good erection. But relax, at the end of this video, I will tell you some tips that will help you to boost up your testosterone level naturally. Number 5 is loss of weight. When you are unable to maintain a good weight or a balanced weight, you always lose weight. You seems as you don't have weight or you don't feel yourself anymore. It is a loss of weight. Number 6 is loss of hair or beards. If you are a man, suddenly you start losing your hairs or beards, it is a sign of low testosterone. And if you want to increase the growth of your beards, all you have to do is to increase your testosterone. Number 7 and the last is muscle. When you start losing muscle as a man, muscle is what makes every man to look attractive. Muscle is what makes every man to look different from others. If you have muscle, it will make you to be attractive. But anytime you are losing muscles, it will be a sign of low testosterone level in your body system. Other signs might be heart diseases, diabetes 2 type, and other ailments which can show you that you have a low testosterone level. So these are the signs of low testosterone level in men. Now, what are you going to do in order to increase your testosterone level? They are very simple. Number one is for you to make sure that you eat a balanced diet. Once you eat a balanced diet, number two, engage in enough sleep and rest. If you can engage in enough sleep and rest, it will help you to boost up your testosterone. And after that, make sure that you eat a balanced diet. Number three is for you to make sure that you have regular exercise. Not too much exercise to avoid being stressful, but regular and moderate exercise. It will also help you to increase your testosterone level. Another thing you need to do is to make sure that you drink enough water and have enough sleep. Feel good within yourself to make sure that you are very, very happy. Because if you're not happy, your immune system will be affected. But if you are happy, your immune system will keep growing, which will help you to boost up your testosterone level. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, support this channel by hitting the like button. Subscribe to be a member of this very channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments and questions as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Good luck.